Hey guys, Crafty Z
and Crafty U.
and today we're going to be making a castle out of box. And we're going to be showing 3 different kind of toys. One of them you can eat too, and the other one hatches. And then we're going to have a fidget spinner. Whoa. Yeah. We're so close to done! Alright guys, so we're done making the castle, can't you see?
Finally.
And the first one we're gonna open is Kinder Joy.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Delicious.
Whoa, what
Delicious.
is this thing? Marshmallow and chocolate. It's 2 of them. That's the question. Livy. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Balls of chocolate or marshmallow. Very good.
What?
Lily, are you ready to try marshmallow?
Yes.
Wow. Where's this icing? It's icing. Now let's check out the toy.
Yeah, but I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Are there instructions?
I think, like, guys, I think you're like supposed to put it together.
Oh. There's stickers.
Okay.
There's stickers. Where are the stickers?
Stickers? So then, what is this for? Oh, what's good? What?
Do not tell us what's on the back of the
Oh, okay. I eat it.
Show it to the camera.
Gotta show it to the camera.
So what?
I want one to show. Here's this one.
It's what is
Alright.
it? Actually, you can't tell me. Here.
So first we're gonna
Santa cards.
um,
Tiny cards.
we're gonna like put the stickers.
It's
on
like
it.
a mouse game. This is like a mouse game. Six.
All right. I'm gonna. I got it.
How can we
Yay!
play with only six
Yay!
cards?
All right. So technically on here we have a black panther, a deer, a bird, a anteater,
That's
a.
an anteater.
Can you tell me what this is? A sloth. And whatever this is, a weasel. And technically we're gonna like put this on here.
There's some complicated instructions.
Let me see. It's oh, okay, I get it. You're like this. I'm not cuckoo. You're cuckoo. I got it. I
Got
it.
what?
Oh dang it came out. There we go.
Let me see.
It spins. And whatever the pointer goes on is the animal. Wait, what?
So this is the full game?
And like animal, and it shows them paw, strength. Like I'm gonna show you. You see how it says like animal on the top, paws, strength, speed. diurnal or nocturnal. It's very cool. Alright, so Livy, you go first.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, how do you?
Please be. Oh, wait, hit my nails.
You have to hold this and you spin that.
Oh.
Weirdo.
Black Panther!
So pick a card. This was how it. 144.
No!
You got a bird. That's the kind of claws. It only has that much strength.
No!
And it's diurnal.
It's what?
Diurnal.
Diurnal? What is that?
Diurnal. I don't know.
It means it's not nocturnal. Diurnal, nocturnal. They're
We'll go with it.
complicated words.
So yeah, that was that first one. That was that. Next, we're gonna open.
The Hatchimals! Wait, I thought everyone's a fidget spinner or gets to open that.
Alright, fine. So you open your fidget spinner. I'm gonna open mine.
So now you're doing fidget spinners?
Whoa, it's in a container. So here's how mine looks. So it looks
How do you
very,
get
very tiny.
This is how mine looks.
It's like a bowling ball. You can spin it.
Okay.
Here's what mine looks like.
Wait, hold on. Sounds weird.
If they stop spinning, they lose. You ready? We both lost.
One more round.
No, we have two more. There's three. You ready? Set, go. Stop spinning. In the third round. So on the first one, we both got it one. So she has two. So it's 1 against 2. Both still spinning. Let's make that the tie too. So we're gonna have to rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What is that? Yes! Alright, so now we're moving on to the Hatchimals. And, excuse me. We are going to be guessing which Hatchimal it is. Whoever guesses it gets to keep it. But, you have to guess, and it might be one of these. One of those. These. But now I'm gonna go first. Okay. So, I'm guessing, like, you see this green hair up there, so I'm guessing, you can't. And, yeah, so time for Livy's turn.
I here am guessing. Which one could it be?
I'm not gonna see.
This one! The one with the green hair at top.
Oh gosh. We got the same one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
No!
Oh.
Yay.
If we're
Alright,
both
so it's
right,
time to
we
crack
still
it
both
open.
keep it.
I just gotta. Alright. Oh.
You both were wrong.
We were wrong! What?
No!
No!
Listen to this.
You saw green fur!
But listen, Livy, listen to this. What?
That thing looks so creepy.
Technically, it was the other one. This is a dragon. So it's a dragon.
creepy.
This is a dragon one.
That thing sounds creepy. I don't want to touch it. Get away from me.
I don't know what he's saying, but
Wait, let me see it.
he said, I dropped you.
Let me see it.
I think he's saying I love you.
Oh.
What?
He moved his eyeballs.
Is it
That thing
creepy?
is so
Yes.
creepy. I'm just gonna go get a little snack. Bye.
It was saying, yeah, I'm saying I love you. And he was singing me Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So yeah, that was technically our video. And we had lots of fun. But my sister went to go get a snack.
Hey, hold on. Here's a creepy snack just in case I freak you out.
The bar, this is not a chocolate bar. But oh well. So yeah, I really love this thing. And
Mm-hmm.